1. Introduction, Arrays and Addresses. We know that an array is a collection of elements of the same type stored in contiguous, adjacent memory locations. For example, when we initialize integer ARR sub 5 equals 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, the 5 integers are stored right next to each other in RAM. Today's lesson reveals one of the most fundamental truths in C. In C, arrays and pointers are almost the same thing. 2. The array name as a constant pointer. When you declare an array, the array name itself acts as a special type of pointer. The rule: the name of an array, without brackets, is a constant pointer to the address of its first element, index 0. Consider this array. If we print the address of the first element and the array name, they will be identical. Key difference: an array name, ARR, is a constant pointer. This means you cannot change the address it points to. 3. Pointer arithmetic, navigating the array. Because the elements of an array are sequential, we can use simple arithmetic on a pointer to move from one element to the next. This is called pointer arithmetic. If PTR points to the start of the array, ARR sub 0, what happens if we add 1? The C compiler is smart. When you write PTR plus 1, the compiler doesn't just add 1 byte. It adds 1 times size of integer for bytes, ensuring the pointer lands exactly on the next integer. 4. 2 ways to access array elements. Since the array name is the address of the start, we now have 2 equivalent ways to access any element in the array. Method A: array indexing, the traditional way. This is what you're familiar with. Method B: pointer dereferencing, the pointer way. This uses pointer arithmetic and dereferencing. Conclusion: the compiler treats the traditional array indexing ARR sub I as syntactic sugar for the pointer expression asterisk ARR plus I. They are functionally identical. 5. Pointers and function arguments, call by reference. In C, you can pass its address, the pointer to its first element, to functions. When you define a function that takes an array, the parameter must be declared as a pointer. In this context, the parameter integer asterisk is an adjustable pointer that holds the starting address of the data array. 6. Conclusion and next steps. The relationship between pointers and arrays is symbiotic. The array name provides the starting address, and pointers allow flexible, powerful navigation through the array's sequential memory blocks using pointer arithmetic. This completes our foundational lessons on C pointers. Our next lesson is 6.05. Exercises, no answers.